electroscope. Electroscope is an instrument used to detect presence of electric charge. There are many types of electroscopes. The most common is gold leaf electroscope. In this figure, what you see is gold leaf electroscope. Now you see a rectangular box, rectangular shape, has no significance, it can be circular also, convenience only. So here you see a rectangular box. At the center of the box there is a metal rod. Metal rod is inserted in the box through an insulating support, rubber say. This rod has a spherical knob at the upper end, metal knob. It is metal. Metal rod having a metal sphere at the upper end. It is called metal knob. At the lower end, there are two very, very thin gold strips. These are called gold leaves supporting from the metal rod. It is shown more clearly on the lower part of the box. त्या बॉक्सच्या खाली दाखवलेलं आहे मेटल रॉडवर गोल्डच्या दोन व्हेरी थिन कॉइल्स, त्याला लीव्ज म्हणतात, गोल्डची पानं, मराठीत सुवर्णपत्र म्हणतात. ही दोन कॉइल्स ही सपोर्ट केलेली आहेत मेटल रॉडला. The box is only to protect the leaves from air current, corrosion and so on. Now how this instrument can detect charge? If a charged glass rod is touched to the metal knob, that is shown at the right side, the charge on the glass rod will be given to the metal knob, and it is a metal rod, so charge will go to the gold leaves through the metal rod. Since the two leaves both acquire positive charge because of repulsion between similar charges, the leaves will diverge. या मेटल नॉबला आपण चार्ज ग्लास रॉड टेकवला तर तो चार्ज मेटल रॉड मधून या गोल्ड लीव्सना जाणार आहे आणि दोन्ही गोल्ड लीव्सना पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज मिळाल्यामुळे काय होणार आहे, रिपल्शन आहे, आणि त्यामुळे ही पानं एकमेकापासून लांब जाणार आहेत. त्याला डायव्हर्जन्स म्हणतात. सो देयर इज अ डायव्हर्जन्स. सो इन दिस वे व्हेनेवर वी सी डायव्हर्जन्स वी कम टू नो दॅट देयर इज चार्ज. जर का त्या ग्लास रॉडवर चार्ज नसता तर असं डायव्हर्जन दिसलं नसतं. सो वेदर ए बॉडी चार्ज ऑर नॉट वी कॅन टेस्ट. टच दॅट बॉडी टू द मेटल नॉब. इफ यू सी दॅट गोल्ड लीव्स डायव्हर्ज, देन वी कन्क्लूड दॅट देयर इज चार्ज. If the metal leaves remain intact, then there is no charge. It is not always necessary that glass rod is touched to the knob, as we said, by induction. Even if we bring that glass rod close to the knob, then charge of opposite type will be induced on the metal knob. That charge will once again go to the gold leaves and they will show divergence. This electroscope can be also used to detect whether charge on a body is positive or negative. First, the gold leaf electroscope is charged by a known charge, say charge from glass rod. A glass rod with positive charge is touched to the knob. Now we know that the leaves are carrying positive charge and there is some divergence. Now we have some other body having charge. We want to test whether it is positive or negative. Now that other body is touched to the knob. If the charge is positive, then that positive charge will be added to the charge that was already present. So divergence will increase. On the other hand, if the charge body is negative, then positive charge on the gold leaves will decrease and divergence will be less. The leaves will collapse. त्या मेटल नॉबवर आपण दुसरा पदार्थ टच केलेला आहे, त्याच्यावर जर निगेटिव्ह चार्ज असेल तर काय होणार आहे, आधीचा पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज कमी होणार आहे